Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how I can create a smoother slow motion effect. Let's use this clip and I use the split tool. I want to have a cut right here where it starts drinking. You can also press B for the split tool and I want it to end right here. So I split it again. Now I use the select tool, A is the short key, and I select this middle part that we've cut out. By the way, I use the default layout, and then I go to speed up here. Here you can set the time. By going down, you're going to let me double the duration. But the more you go down here, the more it gets stretched, and therefore we only have 30 frames per second. You can see it gets chopped up. So even at around 0.4, 0.5, you can see that. To make it smoother, use the smooth slow-mo here and select optical flow. This is going to create, you could say, fake frames in between the frames that are already there. And this is going to make it appear a little bit smoother. When you've got a very long clip and a slow PC, it might take some time. But here we have it. And this looks way better. There are some limitations here and there, but first let me show you another thing that you may want to add, and this is a ramping effect. You can go to curve, but make sure that you've got this middle section that you want to slow down selected. You can use presets, but we'll start with customized, and then you have this curve right here. The baseline is 1x, so the original speed. What you want to do is to keep it at start and end, and then drag down these middle sections. Just drag them all down, for example, to 0.5 in this case. And now we have a ramp down and a ramp up. And if you do that, the slow-mo effect gets slowly introduced. And then in the end, it has a slow outro, you could say. So it returns to the original speed with a ramp. You can make this ramp pretty short. So let me drag that to left and right a little bit. But this just makes it blend better with the original speed. Therefore, I would advise you to use that all the time when you add a slow-mo effect. And then here you can see yet again the smooth slow-mo box. Add this as well. And you want to pick optical flow. The limitation though is that these fake frames from time to time, they create fragments. That's just something that CapCut does. I haven't yet found a way to get around it. For the most part, you can get away with it so people won't notice, but in this example, you can clearly see it. So here on the right, let me roll the clip. Right here, you can see that clearly these fake frames that are being created, they create a little bit of a brownish flash right here. So you may have to repeat this optical flow, or you just have to live with it as long as you're only using CapCut. So this is one of the negative sides, one of the limitations of this software. But for most clips, using this ramp and then the optical flow significantly improves your slow-mo effects. So try it out, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.